Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate rank math with Google Analytics and Search Console, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate rank math with Google Analytics and Search Console, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Rank Math plugin area on the left side menu. Select the dashboard option from the Rank Math menu. In the dashboard, look for the Analytics module and click on it. You will see an option to connect your Google account. Click on the Connect Your Account button. A new window will pop up asking you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. Grant Rank Math permissions to access your Google Analytics and Search Console data. Once authorized, you'll return to the Rank Math dashboard. Here, select the correct Google account you wish to use for analytics. After selecting your account, choose the appropriate properties from Google Analytics. Make sure to enable the Google Search Console integration as well. Now, return to the Rank Math settings by clicking on the Home tab. Scroll down to the General Settings section. Here, locate the Search Console option. Click on Authenticate with Google to ensure proper connection. After authentication, link your site to the relevant Search Console property. Once everything is set up, save your changes to complete the process. This setup will allow Rank Math to pull analytics data from both Google Analytics and Search Console. You can now monitor your website's performance directly from the Rank Math dashboard. Regularly check back to ensure the connections remain active. With these steps, you will successfully authenticate Rank Math with both Google Analytics and Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.